Ṣètọ́jú barista kan tó jẹ́ Yínká Sálárò. Àgùntàn sọ́lọ̀ yé mo paròde. Yínká kan tó jẹ́ Sálárò tiwa ní. Royal MC Ọ̀nìrìṣà Babátúndé. Àmàfọ́ ó ṣẹ. Ẹ wo Yínká olówó lọ́wọ́ èèyàn mi ni. Mi ò kó dání èèyàn mi ni. Mo kó lọ́wọ́ èèyàn mi ni. Mi ò kó dání èèyàn mi ni. Yínká owó tí ẹ tẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ra bàjẹ́ táwọn ọ̀tá ẹ wá kìlọ̀.
You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Imperial Majesty, on my knees I welcome you. On my knees I honor you. I honor you. So time is not on our side, as we have been told. Our Excellency Oluwafunso Amosu, not just Olufunso, Oluwafunso. God bless you, my darling sister. We have reputable men and gentlemen in the hall. My darling brother is there, smiling so confidently because he wears the toga of confidence and honor. My brother Oshintoken, God bless you. The Honorable, please stand up for the recognition. It's the honor and the respect to come for KBSD that made you to be here today.
This place that I am now.
Nigerian economy. Who is who? So today, I welcome you to the premiere, special premiere of Moremi. And for you that do not understand, you'll be wondering, what is so spectacular about Moremi? Why is our own Imperial Majesty propagating this cause? I stand here today to let you know. And that should explain to you why we have no other person less than our delectable lady. Somebody I'm always proud to call my sister, being the icon representing this fearless, this warrior of a woman, this delectable, and of course, inspirational woman we call Moremi. For all of you that know the story of Moremi, you cannot just become Moremi by being a university graduate or being hardworking. There must still be something spectacular about you. The way you talk, the way you comport yourself, the way you walk with a special gait, the way you respect other people, the way you wear humility, yet with confidence, the way you respect other people, the way you wear humility, yet with confidence, the way you respect the royal dynasty, the way you impart positively in the lives of every other person. I can go on and on and on and on. So the traits are numerous. And by the time Onirisha decided that the woman we should be calling the icon of Moremi in Nigeria, by the time he decided with his able team that it should be our own former First Lady in Ogun State, Her Excellency Olufunso Amosu, I being a tourism regulator for Nigeria, at the instance of the federal government, I got my assignment as Director General I gave Onirisha a nod that you chose well. May you live long. So you're welcome to the premiere. It's going to be beautiful. It's going to be colorful. It's going to be scintillating. It's going to be educational. It's going to be inspiring. It's going to be not just wonderful, something when you finish what we're going to present to you today, you will see why our very own Onirisha stands tall amongst all other authors. Why it stands tall? Yoruba would say, we pay amidst all the others I stand here to say, without any doubt and without any fear, no favor, having been at the cradle, the source of humanity, and long may you live.
Thank you. The very interesting, the very tantalizing, the very dynamic, the very exceptional movie, Morimi. Without wasting time at all, I want to recognize the presence of the Commissioner for Commerce, Industry and Cooperative, Osun State, Honorable Olaonipekun Henry Olabode. You are welcome, sir. Also, I want to recognize the presence of Balogun Akin Osun Tokun. You are welcome, sir. And also our own Bashorun Adeoye is here with us. You are welcome, sir. I also want to recognize the presence of Prince Ayola Shuremikun and Princess Adeshola Shuremikun. You are welcome, sir and ma. Babilaye kí gbogbo àwọn bàbá mi tó wà níbí náà, àwọn olóyè lápá ọ̀tún àti olóyè lápá òsì. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ bá mi fún wọn látẹ̀wọ́ ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ má tí paná, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ má tí paná. Kò tí tó àkókò tá máa paná ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Gbogbo àwọn ìyálóde tó wà níbí, ẹ káàbọ̀, ẹ kú kalẹ̀. Also, all the Lord doctors here present, àti gbogbo àwọn ìṣòro tó wà níbí. You're welcome.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you.